Hello people! Today I'm going to show you how to change a name of your page in Facebook. Before we begin, hit the subscription button just below of this video to become updated of our upcoming videos. Thank you. Let's start. Unang dapat nyong gawin ay visit your Chrome and search m.facebook.com. Then ilagin mo ang iyong account, then find your page here in the right side, etong tatlong linya. Then hanapin mo ang iyong page, etong Samisoy. Sa iyong page, then pindutin mo itong i-edit ang pahina. Click this impormasyon ng page. Open with Chrome. Then pindutin mo itong pangalan. Then click change your page name, then proceed. Then click this request change. So here we are in my page name. So it's so easy to follow, guys. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos to come. And please like and share also. So that's all. Thank you.